In this video, I am going to show you how to make a withdrawal in Odds96. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Log in into your Odds96 account. Head over to the official Odds96 website and log in using your username and password. Step number 2. Access your profile. Once log in, locate the profile icon which is usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it to open a mini window. Step number 2. Access your profile. Once login, locate the profile icon which is usually found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it. Step number 3. Go to the balance section. Within the profile, find the section labeled balance or something similar. Step number 4. Click on withdrawal. Inside the balance section, you should see a button labeled withdrawal or withdraw. Click on that button to initiate the withdrawal process. Step number 5. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Odds96 will likely offer a variety of withdrawal options. Select the method that best suits you. Step number 6. Enter the withdrawal amount. Here you will specify how much money you want to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum withdrawal limit before entering an amount. Step number 7. Review and confirm. Double check all the details you have entered, including the withdrawal amount, payment method, and any account information. Once everything looks accurate, click the confirm button to submit your withdrawal request. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.